Hello, I'm Dan. I'm a colleague on the support team at Datacard. Today I'm going to demonstrate loading supplies into the CR500. Proper loading techniques will minimize card reject and transport or ribbon errors. Let's get started. First, I'm going to demonstrate loading cards into the 3 different hoppers in the CR500. I'm wearing gloves because we do not want to get any dust or debris on the cards. If you don't have white gloves, use latex powder-free gloves, or at a minimum, wash your hands and always hold the cards by their edges. We unlock the security enclosure door using either the key or through your software. I'm going to remove the 3 card weights. I have the cards in bundles of 25. If you look at the diagram on the hopper cover, you'll see that the mag stripe needs to go up and towards the left. For hopper 3. Hopper 2, I have some blank white cards. Again, a bundle of 25, mag stripe up, and it's also a good idea just to make sure that the cards aren't sticking to each other and the mag stripe is in the correct orientation. My last card is a smart card. It also has mag stripe, and I'm going to load that into hopper 1 with the chip down to the left, mag stripe again up and to the left. Replace all 3 card weights. The cutout must be towards the back of the hopper. If you put the card weight in backwards, then the system will not recognize an empty hopper. After we load all 3 card weights, close and lock the security enclosure, and the system will initialize. Now I'm going to demonstrate replacing the ReTransfer film and the inked ribbon. We have an error indicating that the ReTransfer film is out, error 162. I will open the cover using the key or software. Again, I'm wearing gloves because I do not want to touch the ribbon. That will give us print quality problems. Take the ReTransfer film out and remove the used supply. That will need to be disposed of according to your site's procedures because there are security issues with that supply. Take a scissors. I'm going to cut the bag open. Remove the ReTransfer film. And I'm going to cut this wrapper that holds the take-up and the supply together. If we note on the cartridge, this is the supply side. It's going to wrap around these posts and go on to the take-up side. So I put the supply side, the take-up onto the next spindle. Make sure they're fully seated, take out any slack, and return the cartridge into the printer. You can also pull on this knob and advance the film before you put it into the printer. You should hear a click. While we're here, I'm also going to replace the inked ribbon. This still has some left in it, but for demonstration purposes, we'll take this off, and again, this needs to be shredded or securely disposed of. We have our print ribbon. The procedure is pretty much the same. We're going to take and cut the bag, remove the ribbon, remove that band. Be very careful not to drop this. Again, supply side, take-up side. Put the supply side, bring the take-up side, put it on that spindle, advance some material, and again, I can pull this knob. It does not matter which panel is showing, the machine will automatically initialize to the proper panel. Close the door. And now we're going to reset the system. Reset, it says initialize OK, press return, printer will initialize. I'll close the front cover, and after the initialization process is complete, you're ready to go into production.